Hey there, welcome to our video on how to make money with AI. In this video, we're going to explore some of the easiest ways to use artificial intelligence to generate income, even if you don't have any experience in the field. We'll take a look at some popular AI tools and platforms that you can use to start making money today. First up, let's talk about AI-generated artwork. With AI image generators like dall-e, Prisma, and deepart.io, you can create beautiful and unique artwork without any artistic skills or experience. And the best part, you can sell this artwork on products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, creating a profitable income stream. Next, let's talk about AI-generated music. With platforms like Amper Music, JukeDeck, and AIVA, you can create original music using AI algorithms. This music can be used for background music in videos, podcasts, and other digital content. And the best part, you don't need any musical talent to create and sell your AI-generated music. If you're interested in customer service, you'll love AI-powered chatbots. These tools can provide 24/7 customer service without the need for human intervention. And with platforms like Dialogflow, ManyChat, and ChatFuel, you don't need any technical skills to create and manage a chatbot. By offering your chatbot services to businesses, you can earn money without breaking a sweat. Content creation is essential for businesses, but it can be time-consuming and costly. With AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Articulo, and Copy AI, you can generate high-quality content for blogs, websites, and other digital platforms. And the best part, you don't need any writing skills or experience to offer your AI-powered content creation services to businesses and make money. Last but not least, let's talk about social media management. Managing multiple social media platforms can be overwhelming, but with AI-powered social media management tools like Hootsuite, Lately, and Sprout Social, you can manage them all with ease. And by offering your social media management services to businesses, you can earn money without any marketing skills or experience. So there you have it, folks. Those are just a few easy ways to make money with AI. Whether you're into art, music, customer service, content creation, or social media management, there's an AI-powered solution that can help you make money. With AI technology continuing to evolve and expand, the opportunities to make money will only increase. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start making some money with AI.